Okay, here's the plan. It's 5:30 in the morning. U-Haul opens up at 7 a.m. I got everything in the back of the truck. We got to go get the trailer, come back, load up the SI because the winter Arnold is in Palatine, Illinois. Man of my word, folks. I give you my word, it's gold. This time it's a little special. I'm bringing 2 celebrity guests with me. We'll see them in a few moments. But welcome back. Enjoy this journey with me. It's going to be beautiful. I get to leave this garage. I get to focus on the road. We got an 8-hour trip to the KOA. And I believe from the KOA to Arnold's house is about 4 hours. So all in all, about call it 12 or 13 hours with gas stops. We got to make that drive. You ready to go? I'm excited. I just want to focus and make sure I don't forget none. I got the title to the car. I got a copy of the check to the car. I got both keys. Got all my supplies. Got my barbecue stuff. Got tables. Got chairs. Got clothes. Brought the coffee maker. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I loved you guys. I missed you. Smash that like. Let's start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Got about 5 more minutes till U-Haul opens up. I hate New Rochelle, bro. It's such a bitch to get to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically what it is. You know, pick up the U-Haul, go get the car, load it up, start heading out. Arnold, man, what a crazy story. Doesn't have Instagram, has YouTube, been following me for years. That's the winner of the EM1. 50-year-old man. Lives with his dad, I think, or like with his family. And he's been using his dad's RAV4 to get back and forth to work. And I always say, man, these cars always go to the right homes at the right moment. First car to go to Illinois, which is awesome too. I really thought it was going to go out west. I really did. I was like, yo, watch this shit go to Cali. But it didn't. I'm glad that Arnold won it. Had a great conversation with him on the phone too. Awesome. Sounds like such a nice person. Can't wait to meet him. It's going to take a couple of hours to get to him, a couple of days, but we'll get there, inshallah, God willing. But that's basically that's where I'm at right now, waiting for U-Haul to open. Fingers crossed, guys. All right, good folks, we got the trailer. Man, I felt so bad for that. I felt so bad for that lady at the U-Haul, bro. 7 in the morning, she was the only one there. She had a line out the door. 2 people were late. I was the second person. She had to, basically leave her station, come out. They won't let you load your own trailer. They need to do it and take their photos at U-Haul. I helped her as much as I could. When we get back there to get the trailer, there was one trailer blocking it. So she had to run and go get some kind of jack to move it. And I just wanted to make her life easy, man. I felt so bad for her, man. So bad for her, but we're on our way. We're heading to the garage now. Gonna load up the car and get this trip going. Trailer's on. It was telling me to check a connection. Oh, son, everything's good. It's got a brand new wire on it. All right, I'll focus on that afterwards. All right, let me get in there, start loading up this EM1 and getting ready for this. Oh, God, look. Don't got a safety hook. Okay, gonna have to use a strap. It is what it is, man. Golly. All right, folks. Car strapped up. Give it a nice little try there. Close this up. What a long haul this is gonna be, but it's gonna be worth it once we see that man's reaction, man. All right. double check the trailer connection. Everything's golden. May unplug it, just clean up the wires maybe, the connection. Well, other than that, I got my tote here with my stuff. I got a cooler filled with drinks, got my grill, some chairs, tables, extra charcoal. I don't know if I showed you guys the new truck. Yeah, I picked up the new lease. Can't beat it. This thing is awesome. Twin turbo, 6-cylinder. And crazy because next year they're bringing the V8 back. So only, what, 1 or 2 years for the V6? But this truck is awesome. Awesome. Can't wait to see how it does on gas. The last truck, the Ram, it would do about maybe 10, 11 miles with a trailer. These things are terrible on gas, I'll tell you that much. But man, what an amazing run. What a beautiful car. Let me close up the garage, make sure I have everything, do my checklist, and then go pick up my 2 best friends. Better get used to this sight right here. We're getting both cars, well, both vehicles filled up. EM1's getting some 93, and my boy's soaking in some regular. It's gonna be a very common sight, trust me. Okay. 87's that way. My 2 BFFs are here. We're taking Samir with us. And introducing Chicken Nuggy. You ready to go to the trip, Daddy?
Yeah.
Ready to have fun? We're gonna deliver this car to a good man. Sounds good to you?
Yeah.
We're gonna go swimming at the KOA.
Yay!
You wanna say hi to anybody?
Hi!
Alright. Samir, you wanna say hi to anyone?
Hi guys.
Let's go. Alright, so we're just gonna double check the straps real quick before me and the goons hit the road. Daddy, check those straps, goddammit. Check those straps. Who gave you that stuff, Daddy? What you got back there? Show us.
I got a big snack.
Who gave it to you?
Nick's mom.
Say hi to her. She's gonna watch the video.
Hi!
Say thank you to her also.
Thank you.
Alright, what'd she get you? What'd she get you?
She got me a lip smacker
Nice.
with an emoji on it and it has a name.
Nice.
And I got Smarties.
Some snackies.
And I got Lego Friends.
Wow.
And that's all.
That's it?
And then I have more stuff.
Today, Junior. Today, Junior.
Today, Junior.
You do nothing.
I think she gave me a stuff.
Oh my God, Daddy, this is like the longest reveal ever. Wow. Your favorite stuffies.
That was cute.
All right.
Thank you.
So yeah, good job. We're on 87. We're gonna cross to 95, and then we're gonna take 80 for a while. But we're here. Got a co-pilot, my boy right there. Co-pilot. He's most likely gonna sleep the entire trip.
Now?
It looks like it's just me and you, Daddy. You better learn how to drive, all right? You got it? Yeah, you better look. You're gonna learn this trip. You gotta drive when Daddy gets tired. All right. Wish us safe travels, my friends. We're on the way.
Hello, guys.
We got it. We got it. Hold on, let me get you the screen so you can.
What is it? Hello. Hello, guys. You want the puppy? Please. And I'm the puppy. Puppy. Like you.
Let me get that. Give me that. All right, say bye to this clip. We just wanted to show this dude. Yeah, he's knocked out. We got him. We got him, Daddy. We got him. Okay, guys, we're out of New Jersey. We're officially in Pennsylvania. Got some good people that live over here. We've got 6.5 hours left till we get to our KOA. How's it going back there, Scarlett?
Good.
I saw you ready to take a nap.
No.
It's your turn to take a nappy. Samir's up, now it's your turn. We're making good time, guys. We're making good time. See if there's a Fanta in there for me.
That's all.
Nice, all right, first gas stop, not bad. We're almost in Ohio. One tank almost got us here. And then get your sister a water poop. So I ended up checking the straps. Everything is good there.
Last water.
Huh?
That was last water.
Last water? The whole thing was filled with water. All right, she can have mine. She can have mine. All right. Straps are good. Car hasn't moved. So far, so great. We're about 2.5 hours away from our KOA. So
We're in Pennsylvania right now.
we're still in Pennsylvania, babe. And then next state, what's the next state?
Ohio.
Ohio. All right. Let's kick ass.
Ohio right now.
Yep, we made it to Ohio. How do you feel, Daddy?
Good.
How you feeling?
Good.
How's the party going back there and to the side here?
Quite well. Quite well. Running close rail the entire time.
No, you can talk to me right there.
Officially in Ohio.
Say, we'll see you guys at Walmart.
We'll see you guys at Walmart. Bye. Hello, guys. We're going to Walmart in Ohio.
We're going to Walmart. We made it here. Thank God. Alhamdulillah. Everything is great. Now we got to go get our supplies for the old cabin. No, Daddy, leave that here. Leave that here. Leave that here because I don't want you. I want you to be fully focused in here. All right?
Ow.
All right. Relax. All right. Come on, Samir. Let's go. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I'm beat to shit, my niggas. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I've been up since 3 in the morning. About a 9-hour drive. Almost locked the damn keys in here. We got our place. Took the car off the truck because we might go out tomorrow. But Scarlett is super excited because where are you going, Daddy?
We're going to the pool.
We're going to the pool, boys. Samir's changing in there. Oh, you want to give them a tour? Show them what's inside.
What?
What do you mean, what? What is this? It's your cabin. So no one's giving a tour. We're ending the vlog like this? You don't want to show nobody nothing.
We can do a tour.
We got bunk beds. We got bunk beds.
Okay.
So I sleep on there, and then Samir sleeps on there.
Okay, where'd Daddy sleep?
You sleep.
By himself?
Yeah. And then this is the bathroom.
Nice.
Here's the kitchen.
Open the fridge. Show them what we got.
We got Dr.
some-
Pepper. We got Pepsi. We got water. Oh.
We got some stuff. We're gonna grill up later. All right.
And
We got
have a
Binks.
second- And we have Binks. And then my other animal.
You guys ready for the pool? Guys, it's
Here we
been
go.
it's been a long day, man.
We don't know.
I haven't ate yet today neither. It's Daddy off the ground. Off the ground.
What?
The towel. You're dragging it on the ground. Then you're gonna put it on your skin. Then you're gonna get germs. Then you're gonna get sick. And then I kick you out the house. I got the barbecue grill here. Got our chairs out. Kids are gonna go swim real quick. I'm gonna sit here and start setting up dinner. But Samir, where's your towel?
Oh, my towel.
Yeah. And you got socks on going to a pool.
Oh.
I don't know how this Daddy, I don't know how he's my son. I'm like the smartest human I know. He's a box of nails. Say bye, Daddy. Say bye to the vlog. Say we'll see you on the next one.
We'll see you on the next one.